Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. We just arrived to 70 Mile Saturday poker run, so stay tuned. We're gonna show you all the cars that they got, everything else, so enjoy the show.
Whoa, yeah, swear to God I'm with it. I don't see.
What's up, brother?
What's going on, man?
I'm Vladimir, by the way.
Parker, nice to meet you.
Please don't be wasting my time with that business. Who you kidding, man? Yeah. Whoa, yeah, swear to God I'm with it. I don't see nobody in my lane that's quite go get it like me. Whoa, please don't be wasting my time with that business. Who you kidding, man? Yeah. Say gon' put me all in the map with all that mad game you been talking. Oh yeah, man, that's awesome. Yeah. Show me this plan that you brought me and this cash you ain't mentioned yet, dog. I'm done with all that talking. Yeah. No, I don't do pay to play, I get paid to play. And since you're playing games to get paid from me, man, swear to God I'm walking. Yeah. I seen the type before about 100 times, trying to undermine my abilities to be killing anything I target. Yeah. You wanna be a boss with them reins? That power don't come cheap. All my life I've been moving them chains. Now you wanna love me, I see the way you think. You're all about you. And that's cool, you do you. But me, I've been doing my own thing, I swear to.
So the main thing about this event, as I said, it's not a race in any manner. We want to keep a low profile with the police on the road. So the way we're going to do that comes down to all the way you guys drive. So if you guys drive respectful in certain areas, and then there will be areas where you can just have spirited driving, it comes down to picking the time and the place for that kind of stuff. So.
Alright, we're about to start the 70 Mile Saturday poker run. Lots of cars, lots of exotics, lots of people, so this should be really fun and awesome. And the cool part, one of the stops is going to be our shop, LNC Collision, so that's going to be really sick and cool. But yeah, stay tuned and enjoy the show.
Got that on a Lambo on me. What up, down? What up, dude?
Alright, you guys heard it. Let's start the engines. Let's go. Crank car 458 and let's rock and roll. Wow, dude, that thing sounds insane. Wow, what the hell is going on here? So many crazy ass cars.
I didn't know we were going to your homeland. Thanks for having us.
Yeah, it was fun.
All right.
See you later.
See you.
Welcome to our playground.
We got caught by the cops.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Oh.
But we were on the toll road and there was like 3 of them hiding and my laser was going off and
Faster.
everybody
Yeah.
I like that Lambo right there because that's
The
right.
Lambo? Yeah. It's a beautiful. Yeah. Go guys, everybody's coming in. This is almost the last checkpoint before the final destination, which is gonna be the yacht. Gonna be around 5-6. So for now, enjoy the vehicles, all the cool people that came in.